Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to re-thermal paste a GPU and fix thermal throttling. This is not as daunting as people may think. This is a 3080 I just picked up off of eBay for pretty cheap. Now it is thermal throttling. I'm going to give the guy a chance. I'm going to re-thermal paste it and then hopefully see how we go from there. Now this can really help. Now there's a lot of dust. I don't know if you're going to see on camera. There is a lot of dust in there as well, so we're also going to be blowing out that while we have this off. Now for every GPU it's a little different, but pretty much you just want to have a look and take off the screws that would hold the cooler on, which is pretty much all of them except for these, but we can come back to those. You want to kind of remember where these screws came from, as it will be important for later. After taking all the screws out, I'm going to carefully try to peel it apart. After having a bit of a feel, I worked out that something was still holding it, and it was 4 screws pretty much holding the cooler to the GPU die. I just had to remove those and then it was free to actually take apart. Now some GPUs you have to take this off, some you don't. Now as you can see, that just smoothly came off. Now you want to be careful of the wires, which as you can see. And now you do want to unplug them from the PCB. And there we go. The cooler is separated. And you're left with the raw PCB. Now, we're going to clean these up. Now ideally, you want to use alcohol and some cotton swabs. I don't have any of that, but I got tissues, so we're going to clean up the old thermal paste. Then we want to do the same for this right here. Now as you can see, you may want to do thermal pads while you're here. Now the life of a thermal pad, you'll notice these look pretty good. When they look bad is when they start to leak oil, and you'll see oil everywhere, but these look pretty good. So we're going to stick with these, and I don't have new ones. So I'm going to go out, get the air compressor and blow through these, and I'll be back. Alright, so I give them a good blowout, so they're pretty clean for the most part, as clean as I can really get it. Now this one's pretty interesting. It does have signs of something that's happened. I don't know if I can show it on camera very well, but card works. We're gonna thermal paste it now. Now when you're gonna buy something relatively good to use, really don't need a lot, but like that would be more than enough. But I like to add extra because even though it'll make a mess, I'd rather know every fucking millimeter of this fucker is covered. I don't recommend it. I do it. We're gonna have to reconnect the fans. Right, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it down like this. This one, I'm gonna just pick this up and kind of lay it down. Just trying to line the holes up. So then it will slot down, just like that. And now we're gonna screw this back on. This is what holds it. Right, this is what holds the pressure. Now, there's probably only one way this goes. This looks about right. Now as you screw this bracket in, you want to do it in the pattern that I'm showing you, and you want to do it slightly and keep repeating it until all the screws are actually tight. And this keeps the pressure even across the whole thing. There we go, those ones are done. Now you want to go through and put all these ones back on. You want to try to do these all in the same order. Just like that, you have rethermal paste a GPU, and this is ready to go in and test to make sure it's not firmly throttling still, and do some performance tests. I've done my best to clean out the cooler. I've rethermal pasted it.